Okay, so I just wanted to do an update on the trade that was taken in video 5 tutorial, how to use the UFX trend report EA. In that video, if you haven't seen it, I just go over using the menu settings here and what they all do. But at the end of the video, we actually got into this trade here, so I just wanted to do an update on how it's doing, and I'll probably move it to break even when it gets above the 2-to-1 here, or just let it run, but we'll see. Anyways, it's doing all right, and I wanted to give an update on that. And also I'm going to show the Euro USD trade. We had a signal on the daily signal on the arrows scanner here. All you wanted to do is click this button. It'll open up the 15-minute chart, and then I put the UFX arrows auto trader onto it, set the stop loss, or set the lot size, sorry, to what I want to trade on it, and it took the trade for me during the night last night. So I wanted to give a quick view of this as well. And also the target is going to be down in this area near the support box, so you can see the risk is very little compared to the reward. And that's what I like about this strategy. But you got to remember, it might take 2 or 3 times before you get into a really good trade, so that's something to keep in mind, and I explain that in the tutorial videos. But otherwise, this is a very good strategy, and I think the candle analyzer will really help people out on when to put the EA into it. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the video, and we'll talk to you later.